the smartphone paracord case or a holder or a pouch, as you wanna call it. In the next 10 minutes I'm gonna show you how to make this simple paracord project for your smartphone. So now for the second part of this project I'm gonna need 3 meters in the metric measurements or 9 feet of this black Paracord 550, so we can continue making our smartphone case or holder or a pouch, as you wish. So now when you make our paracord base around our smartphone, we're gonna take and from this bottom loops, black ones here, we're gonna start weaving and we're gonna insert the cords through all of these black weaves. And now here we're gonna melt this end down, but we're gonna do it on the end, not right now, so we can readjust if we need our paracord smartphone holder or case. Now, as you can see here, I'm gonna just zoom a bit. We start from this point, this loop here, and we end it here. Now we're gonna pull it through this one here. So take the needle and make it through this one. Now we're gonna pull it through here, but now we need to melt this down to lock this end of a cord, so we have the firm paracord smartphone case. So here I pulled through one side of this smartphone case, and Remember, this is the length of a 9 feet or 3 meters. For this side of a case I left with 4.5 feet, so the half of this 9 feet length. So one side is 4.5 feet or meter and a half, and the other is 4.5 feet, or in the metric measurements meter and a half. So that are 9 feet or 3 meters. As you can see, the cords are loosened a bit, so I'm gonna pull it through the other side, the opposite side, and then I'm gonna insert the smartphone, and afterwards I'm gonna adjust the cords. So stay tuned. Now we're gonna do the same thing from this side here. So through the first black loop here, as you can see, pull the cords, or the cord, sorry, and now here, and one of the important thing here is to check the width of your phone. Is it sliding well into the case? If you have some problems to put it on, you need to readjust those cords by pulling out one side first, then the other one. So you can see it's slightly better, but we need to rearrange a bit more. Now for the next step we're gonna need 7.5 feet or 2.5 meters, so we can make the other side of our cell phone or smartphone case. So pull the cord through the first black loop here, as you can see, this one here, and like on the first time, leave the cord so you can rearrange later. This will be the top one, so we're gonna go under with the first one, on top with the second, under with the third, on top with the fourth, and so on. So this will be on top, this one will be under. Now simply do the reverse, so this will be under, or this one will go on top, and this will be under, on top, under, on top, under, on top, etc., etc. So now, as you can see, the cords are loose, so we need to readjust and make it a bit tighter. And for the next stage, we're gonna need 7.5 feet of this neon green Paracord 550 or 2.5 meters. So let's insert the one end of a cord into the paracord needle or a thread, and we're gonna start from this knot here. So insert it. And here we are, our smartphone paracord case or smartphone holder, pouch, as you wish to call it, is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and of course don't forget to subscribe, that way you're helping me to continue making these paracord tutorials. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See you in the next clip. Bye.